In this video, we're going to learn how to skip count by fives. So the way to do that is to take a look at this block of numbers that have all the numbers printed off in a row, and each row has blocks of numbers in blocks of 10. So if we start at 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, and 100. And if you keep saying that in your head over and over, you'll be able to remember how to do it without even looking at a number chart like this. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And if you find that difficult, what you could do is try to picture a number line again. And you start at 0 and you skip the first 5. So you would go like this: 5, 10, 15, 20. So you just keep skipping 5 and you'll remember 5, 10, 15, 20. You skip counting by 5. And if you don't get it right away, just rewind the video and look at it again. Practice makes improvement.